Hi everyone, I am Ujjwal and you are watching DigitWise. In this video, I am going to show you how to allow apps during downtime on Mac. So, downtime is a screen time feature that temporarily limits access for most of apps during hour you choose. However, there are often a few apps that are still needed, such as work tools, messaging app, or essential utilities. That's where always allowed feature become useful. Instead of turning off downtime completely, you can simply choose the apps that should remain available while all other restricted apps stay blocked. This gives you more control over what you can continue using during your scheduled downtime. So if you would like to allow certain app during downtime, here's what you need to do. First click on the Apple logo and then choose system settings. Now in the left side pane, go to screen time. And now if you have enabled downtime for certain apps and you have limit that app, now go to always allowed and now here scroll through allowed app section and find the app that you want to use during downtime and turn on the toggle next to it. And you can enable as many apps as you need. So all you just need to repeat the process again and simply start enabling the toggle next to that apps. And if you can't see the app when scrolling, and here search for the app and you can simply search for the app and then here enable the toggle right to that app. And that's it. From now on, whenever downtime is enabled, the app you have allowed here will continue working normally while the other restricted app remain unavailable. This help you to stay productive without completely disable screen time. So that's it. If this video helps you in any way, then do like it and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.